Okay, welcome back. It is day 182 of coding every day. So, um, today was another day of driving. I woke up around 9 a.m. It was like another 10-hour drive today. I'm in Little Rock, Arkansas. Um, Probably gonna leave here around 8 a.m. ish, and then I should be able to get to Texas State by 2, 3 ish. I think it's like an 8 hour drive. So what if I left here at 9, then it would take I'd be there at 5. So I mean, it would be nice to leave here at 7, but there's no way I'm leaving at 7. Maybe I can leave at 8. Uh, which would mean I can get there around 4 ish. Um, so yeah, we'll see. And then once I get there, I can set up and I can be at an actual setup instead of hotel for these. I'm just so tired um, after this stuff. It actually says I think it's 11:33 EST, but I'm Central Time now, so some of these might be coming out past midnight EST because I'll be going by Central Time from now on until I go home in the fall or end of summer, more like. So yeah, I was gonna do an easy leak code. I won't do my technicality like I did last episode. Um, yeah, that's about it. Drive went well though. It's crazy how I don't want to say this without with offending anyone. The South is very. It feels like such a lower class of life compared to the north part of the country. Like the northern part of the country, just the infrastructure seems like better. The people seem better. Here it seems like people are like dying, bro. Everyone just looks terrible in like the quality of life in these states, like the gas stations I go to, the stores I go to. It is so sad to like see like the state of life that these people are living. It's terrible. Uh, it's quite depressing, honestly. Um, you know, I mean, I was in Houston last summer. Same thing with Houston. I was in Memphis today. That's really bad. Um, Even Little Rock, like a little bit, was like I don't know. I don't know. It just it's a little sad to see. But anyways, I'm not here to talk about uh, the state of America. I'm here to code. I actually listened to Lex Fridman podcast, a 5 hour podcast of him talking to. Honestly, I have no idea who they even were. I think they just had like an AI startup or something like that, and they were talking about like DeepSeek and what is it? TSM, TST, CSM, whatever the Taiwan chip manufacturer is. Um, it's a good podcast, but 5 hours of that is like, ugh, kind of draining, low key. But it was good. It made me a little excited to like maybe for possibly doing machine learning after I graduate for like a full time role, but I still think that is quite a tough um, what do I say, like a subset of computer science right now. Um, or at least from what I've heard, just like um, uh, what am I trying to say here? I literally forgot what I was trying to say. Oh yeah, just because I've heard like you kind of want to graduate like PhD, master's degree for stuff like that. So I don't know. I hate how if you refresh after you change the scaling, or else it's just all messed up. Okay. Minimum depth of a binary tree. Given a binary tree, find its minimum depth. Minimum depth is number of nodes along the shortest path from root node to the down to the nearest leaf node. Okay, so this is 2, so we count root. This goes 2, null 3, null 4, null 5. Okay. So we just have to find a node that has no other nodes. In the first occurrence of that, we return a count. So I mean, can we literally just say minimum depth? Or actually, I can just say, I don't know if I don't need to do, but whatever. We'll do a depth first search with a root, not a root, with a node. What? We want to pass in that, and we want to pass in the depth. And I don't care about a path, and I just want to say if I mean, we can do this if node is none. But here's the thing. If we said is node is none, it means that I think I just return right? I'm trying to think because if I do depth first search on a node dot left, right, with whatever depth is in a DFS on node dot right with whatever depth is. Nope. So like if I go down left, increase by 1, return, and then go to that, and then technically you return. But then you'd go back. You'd want it to be what? Couldn't you say? I mean, okay. Would it be like right here? I need something that's like, okay, if node dot left and okay, if node dot left is none and node dot right is none, then just return depth. Otherwise, both of these just increase depth by 1. Right? I don't know if that works. Null. Huh? 1 and 1. Okay. Alright, so instantly we go and we say if node. See, this is the thing, is I guess this is the case for if it's just one node, then I guess we just say 1, right? And I say, okay, is this and this none? Otherwise, do like a left call. Okay, then we go there and we say, is it none? Nope. Is this and this? Yep. Then return depth. And then depth should be 2, right? Why wouldn't that be depth is 2? It's actually kind of confusing. Oh my god, that was loud. Um, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. What? It's going through the entire thing and never exiting. Why is it never exiting? I hate that shit where you like return where it's like, oh, return 1, like adds up. I hate that. I mean, so what? It's just, I mean, I like this better. If a root is none, just return 0, I guess. That way I don't have to do this. But basically what it's saying here is if this, then just depth plus equal 1, right? And then return. Oh my god. What is it? If I think if not doesn't have to have a value, right? I think. Oh no, there still is a return 1? Return 0. Okay. It's not even changing. Like, oh my god. It has to do with this dumb shit. I mean, it was doing some like return. What was it? Return 1. Okay, that's if I pass 0 through on the depth. Well, no, it's not even passing anything through. What it's doing is it's doing like this, and it's like it's just doing 1 plus because if it has at least one node, then it's this, and it's doing 1 plus the minimum of a recursive call on node.left or recursive call on node.right. What's supposed to happen here is if neither of these, right, then we just want to return 1, which just somehow increases it by 1. I always just don't understand how recursion does that. Argument depth. Oopsies. Where did I say depth? Right here. I never understand how that works. Still 1. Why would that be? What? There's no way this is any different from this, right? Oh my fucking god, this laptop. What is ever... no way it's that fucking float. How is that ever... How is that ever the fix here? I mean... Why does it say that here? To ignore pass without a leaf. So if that was return 0, in what case we would hit a not node when we went to a left or right off of a leaf node. Or no, if we went left off of a non-leaf node that has a right, that's the only scenario that we'd go here. So how does a float infinity... Oh, it's because of the comparison of min. Because if it's none, then we say float infinity, so we're going to go with the other minimum one, when if we went with the other one, which we are returning just 0, I still don't get the. It's not that I don't get. I understand. I just don't understand. God, the internet is slow here. It's not understanding what I'm asking. I know why it's but like why? Like why under the hood? I mean, I understand. Okay, so I mean, I understand. It's like go down all the way to the bottom, right? The last case, it's one plus the minimum between this. It can either only be infinity or one, right? And so it takes the one, and so now it's like, okay, we're returning one plus one, so that's two. We're returning this up here, so now we have two, right? And then we have two plus whatever this is. Well, plus that one, right? And you keep adding that one as you go up and up and up. But yeah, I get it. Okay, anyways, okay, that is all I have. I need to, I need to get. I haven't been coding like very seriously the last couple of weeks. I need to get reacquainted over the next couple of days so I don't feel weird starting the research. Um, yeah, so more knock work, and then might do a separate machine learning thing. I'm not sure. Okay, maybe I'll see if there's like a course thing. Not like a course like video course, but like a what is that AI one that Harvard does for like free? I forget. Anyways, okay. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.